This is an emergency broadcast. Remain calm and listen carefully. Authorities have confirmed reports of a hostile humanoid anomaly in multiple areas. The entity's appearance and behavior are unpredictable. Emergency services are responding. The entity seems to be 10 feet tall with long arms and fingers. If you encounter it, the entity will give out a demonic scream, meaning you will have 20 seconds to run. Protective instructions. Go indoors immediately and lock all doors and windows. Stay away from isolated areas and do not investigate unusual sounds or sightings. Avoid contact with any unidentified person behaving erratically or attempting to lure you outside. Keep a charged phone, flashlight, water, food, and a first aid kit nearby. Stay tuned to official emergency broadcasts for verified updates and evacuation instructions. If you encounter the anomaly, leave the area as quickly and safely as possible without drawing attention to yourself, and report the location to emergency authorities when it is safe to do so.